Welcome to the Back Shack. We're doing cocktails today. Now this cocktail is really one of my favorites. It's a pretty standard tiki-ish drink, but it's fairly modern. It's from the 1970s and it's called the Painkiller. Now the Painkiller, it originated in the British Virgin Islands on a small island bar called the Soggy Dollar Bar. And that bar you can only get to by boat, so you actually have to swim from your boat onto shore to get to the bar. And hence any money that you're bringing, because they only take cash, is going to be soggy dollars. Now this drink called the Painkiller, they developed it there, and then later on I think they partnered with a company called Pusser's rum. Have a look at this rum here. This is the rum that we're going to use in the drink today. This Pusser's Navy rum. So Navy strength rums have a certain strength and a certain blend of Caribbean rums to be considered a Navy rum. And this particular brand is one that's designed specifically around this cocktail, or I should say the cocktail is designed specifically around this rum. Now there's been some talk about this company who had trademarked the Painkiller. So apparently if you use any other rum other than Pusser's rum in a Painkiller, you can't call it a Painkiller. Now if you're at your home bar, you can use whatever rum you want. Even somebody like me online, I can use whatever rum I want as well. But if you're selling the rum, or selling the cocktail I should say, in a bar or something like that, then it's possible that they could actually go after you for trademark infringement, copyright infringement, something like that. There's been some criticism about them about that. I won't really get into whether that's warranted or not, but I will say that I've tried this drink without Pusser's rum and with Pusser's rum, and I gotta tell you, it really does make a big difference. This rum is just made for this cocktail. It's incredible. Now, on the nose, this rum has that kind of Jamaican funk, even though it's not really a pure Jamaican rum. So there's like this strong kind of a banana, fruity kind of smell to it. And it tastes a lot like it smells as well. Delicious rum. So we're going to use that in the cocktail today. So for our cocktail, you're going to need a shaking tin and some crushed ice. I've got some crushed ice in the small cooler here. And we're going to start off with some orange juice. I'm going to use 1 ounce of orange juice. Freshly squeezed is better. I'm using store-bought. I didn't really have time to squeeze oranges today. Next we've got 1 ounce of cream of coconut. And cream of coconut is different than coconut cream. So cream of coconut, if you're in the US, you can get a brand called Coco Lopez. Here in Canada, we have a brand called Coco Colada. You can make your own cream of coconut as well. You can take coconut cream and add sugar to it. And there's some people online on YouTube that have some recipes around that. I'll see if I can link to one of those down below. I think some people have even boiled up coconut milk with sugar to make cream of coconut. And this is what sweetens up this drink. So we're using 1 ounce of cream of coconut. And then 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Again, if you can juice your own pineapple, that's great. The flavor will be more intense. I'm using store-bought again because I don't have a juicer. 4 ounces. It's 2 pours from the large size of this jigger. Now we add our rum. So 2 ounces, so a nice healthy pour of the Pusser's Navy rum. Again, if you're at home, use your favorite rum. A darker rum's better. But yeah, a good Jamaican rum. The Myers Planter's Punch, some of the Hamilton rums will go well in this also. All right, so now we'll put some ice in our tin. And shake it up. 15 seconds, 20 seconds. All right, take some crushed ice. Get some in our glass. Not too much, because this has a pretty good volume with the 2 ounces of pineapple in there. And we'll strain this over the ice. There's a real nice creamy look to it. And to top it off, we don't put in lime or pineapple spears or cherries or anything like that. I've seen a lot of that online, and they're really kind of, sort of modified versions of the Painkiller, kind of moving further away from where it should be. What you should put on there, nice and simple, is some nice fresh nutmeg. So take fresh nutmeg and grate it right over the top. Just want a dusting on there. And there you have your Painkiller. I'm not sure how much pain it can kill, but it's worth a try. Okay, let's taste our Painkiller. Another drink that's great for a hot day. It's really warmed up today, so this one is going to be really welcome. Man, dang, that is a good drink. Awesome cocktail. It's not too sickly sweet or too extra fruity. I think the rum actually brings down kind of the extra fruitiness of the orange and pineapple juice. Works really well because it's a good, robust, kind of heavy, strong tasting rum. It goes excellent with the ice. Perfect for sitting around on the Soggy Dollar Bar beach, I think, in the British Virgin Islands. I wish I was there, but the back shack here is the next best thing. That's why I built the place. No, but you can taste the pineapples in there. You get the orange a little bit. The cream of coconut, gives it this kind of milky, sort of creamy mouthfeel kind of thing without it being too heavy and too thick. The dilution from shaking it's great. When you shake it around, especially with the pineapple, you get like a nice foaminess on top. And then the nutmeg gives it kind of a savory, not quite hot spicy, but like a spicy savory sort of feel to it. So in some ways it's a little bit Christmassy. It'd be a good fall drink because of that, but also a really good summer drink because of the pineapple, fruit juice, and rum in there. So excellent drink. I'm really looking forward to finishing this thing. Well, thanks for joining me today at the Back Shack. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this drink. Give it a try and put in the comments below what you thought of it. And please give me a thumbs up, especially after trying this drink. This deserves probably 2 thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel too. I'll put more videos out if we get some more subscribers. And in the comments as well, just let me know, are there any other drinks that I should be trying out and making here at the Back Shack? Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.